Can't find a calendar widget in Elementor? Learn to add and customize one in under 2 minutes. We'll start on your home page. Click Edit with Elementor, then click Add Element. Go to WordPress Widgets and insert the calendar. Then we'll finalize by updating the page and tweaking its layout. Edit Home with Elementor. Then, click on the highlighted area to select it before you proceed. With that selected, click the Add Element button to open the widget panel. In the panel, click on WordPress to open its category of widgets. Now, click on Calendar to add it right to your page. After the calendar appears, click on Title to set a heading for it. When you're ready, click Update to save your changes to the page. Now, go to the Advanced tab for more styling options. Inside Advanced, click on Layout to adjust the calendar's positioning. Finally, click on Layout again to fine-tune the display settings. And that's it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.